Introducing the UEX100E-KIT from Blustream. The UEX100E-KIT is a USB extender utilising HDBaseT technology to extend USB 2.0 data, 2-channel analogue audio and Ethernet up to 100 meters over a single CAT cable. The UEX100E-KIT allows for up to 4 USB devices to be connected to a single USB host with support for combined transmission data bandwidth of up to 480 megabytes per second, and is backwards compatible with USB 1.1 devices. The UEX100E-KIT also provides Bi-directional Power over Cable, that's POC, Bi-directional IR, RS-232 and 2-channel analogue audio, and 100 megabytes per second Ethernet pass-through. The perfect application for the UEX100E-KIT is a boardroom with a remote PC. An integrator can connect their USB camera, keyboard and mouse to the transmitter, whilst connecting the receiver to the PC and the Ethernet serving device, up to 100 meters away. This method of installation will allow control of the PC from the boardroom and seamless integration of the camera that's located in the boardroom. With the additional Ethernet and audio pass-through features, the UEX100E-KIT can also be used to send control signals from any third-party processor to control the display and source equipment in the boardroom. The audio breakout feature makes it simple and easy to integrate ceiling speakers for optimized AV performance. Blustream, AV distribution without compromise.